This is Margaret Raitt, Wellness Advocate with doTERRA. I want to record for you how to find your referral link and how to use promo codes. So I'm going to log into my account so that you can see what happens when you log in. If you don't know your login and you are part of my community, please reach out to me and I will help you get that figured out. But anyway, here I'm logged in right now. Now, normally a window would pop up here for you. Mine doesn't pop up anymore because I closed it out. But it would say start sharing today and send your referral link. Another way to find it is under your account down to share and earn, get my link. This is the window that should pop up when you log in unless you disabled it. So all you have to do is copy this link and send it to your friends and family, anybody who is interested in getting doTERRA at the same price you get it at. They don't have to pay an account fee. They get anything they want, and then you get 20% of their first order in doTERRA dollars. So you would get to use that on anything you want. You could use it for diffusers. It's different than points. So it's just like having a reloadable gift card. So every time you hand that out, make sure you give them my promo code. So I'm going to show you how that works. I'm going to pretend I am enrolling somebody right now where you do that under, or a new customer. Once they get your link, this is what they're going to see. Okay. And so I'm just going to go in here and your name will be at the bottom instead of mine. And then let's start adding things. This has been a really popular bundle lately, the new VMG, vitamins, minerals, greens, and whole foods, antioxidants with the omegas, the new omegas. And then you can add on extra things, probiotic, you can add it all on at a reduced cost, which is really great. Okay, so I'm just oh yeah, and then this person also qualifies for a free diffuser, hand wash, or toothpaste because this order is at least 150 PV. So it automatically adds the diffuser, but it gives them the option to select something else. So it's down here, that's free. Now I have a special promo code. You have to say yes. Do you have a promo code? And so this is my Diamond Club promo code. DC for Diamond Club 249 V as in Victor, PRV as in Victor. You hit apply and more freebies show up. Okay, free balance oil. And then this order is really close to getting the 200 promotion. So I'm just going to add on a lavender just to show you what it looks like. Because this month in November, a 200-point order gets a free white grapefruit oil, a free full-size bag of doTERRA fiber. You can see the value of these right here. The value of these two is over $34. They also get an adaptive touch, which is a $27 value, and then the balance oil, which is a $26 value, and the diffuser, which is $25. It's a lot of free stuff. This is why I want to show you how to do this so that you can refer your friends and family. Or you can send them back to me and I'll make sure we use your link to get you the dollars, the gift dollars. So I have another promo code. Let's see, I gotta look it up. So this promo code is only good for a few more days. And this, because I had a fall tour event, it's US Fall, all in caps, 24 TCB. Okay. So that's only good for a couple more days, but that throws in another freebie, a free 10 milliliter bottle, roller bottle of Serenity, which you can't even purchase, but it has an almost $30 value. So anyway, I had to record this so you know how to do this. Now go and share with your friends and family and you will get rewarded and they get a free account and they get your prices and they can get all these freebies. At 100 PV, they also get free shipping. And you know, that's a $699 value. and then it would just be this plus tax, okay? So I'm going to pretend I'm proceeding to check out. Then they enter all their information and whatnot. Now, this is just a wholesale customer account, okay? It is not signing up to do the business. Now, if somebody's interested in that, get in touch with me. I will help them get started in the best way. But most people want to start as a customer and stay a customer, which we love our customers, and I will never pressure anybody. So there you have it. Let me know if you have any questions. But they would have to do all the next steps, proceed to checkout till they get the final screen, which says what their ID number is and the order confirmation. All right. So I am going to go ahead and log off, and I hope you have a great night, and let's get your friends all of these freebies. Oh my gosh, look at all that. This is only good through the end of the month. Okay. These balance and the adaptive touch will be good through November, but the serenity and the fiber and the grapefruit only through this month. All right. Have a great night. Take care.